morning, nursery class. Good morning, teacher. Assalamualaikum. Nursery class, today we are going to conduct math activity. We recognize the number with the help of Ludo dice. With the help of Ludo dice. Very good. Let's start our activity. कौन आएगा? Okay. Khatija, come here. Hurry up, Khatija. Khatija, take it. Which number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's a 5 number. It's a 5 number. Recognize करें इधर से कहाँ पे है 5 number? Yes, this one. और इसका रिंग कौन से कलर का है?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Take it and color it. Shabash. Hurry up. Very good, Khadija. Clap for Khadija. Go back to your seat, Khadija.